Good morning, everyone. It's Janet Wakeland here with Remarkably Created, and I wanted to hop on real quick with news of a special that is going to begin on November 4th. So before you decide to maybe take advantage of the brand new product that debuted today, a little bit of shopping, early Christmas shopping, whatever it is with Stampin' Up, take a moment to listen to news about this special. Beginning November 4th, our starter kit will be $75. That $75 will get you $125 in product of your choice. You will not have shipping on that. That's free shipping on that $125 in product. In addition, you'll get catalogs to share with family and friends. You're also going to never pay full price again for products. As long as you're a demonstrator, you don't pay full price. You pay 20% less. In addition, as a demonstrator, there's some other cool perks. As a demonstrator, I love to say that I enjoy the trifecta. I enjoy not paying full price, but I enjoy the same perks that customers and hosts do. So if I have an order of $150 or more, I earn host rewards, but I don't pay full price on that order. I get credit for full retail price. In addition, anything that I personally purchase for myself counts towards any minimums, any incentives, anything that Stampin' Up! Requires sales for, even staying active as a demonstrator. There's some huge benefits to getting a starter kit during the month of November. First, of course, $75 getting you $125 in product with zero obligation. You literally could just take advantage of the deal and run, but there's so many good reasons not to. First, by getting that starter kit here during the month of November, your first full month or quarter, as a demonstrator is considered January, February, March. So you literally have until March to try out all the perks and benefits of being a demonstrator before deciding if you're interested in meeting our quarterly minimum. So you have 5 months to try us out. I mean, that alone's great, but it can get even better. Seriously, sounding like a little infomercial at 3 a.m., right? But demonstrators enjoy pre-purchase opportunities. For example, the brand new Eden's Garden that debuted for the public today, we purchased a month ago. We have a brand new seasonal catalog coming that debuts to the public in January. As a demonstrator, I will be pre-purchasing from that in the coming weeks. And I love that opportunity to pre-purchase from an upcoming catalog. First off, I don't worry about things being sold out or unavailable, any of that kind of stuff, or being back ordered because I'm at the head of the line by being a demonstrator. Absolutely amazing perk. Also, as a demonstrator, you have choices. You get to decide if you simply just want to be a happy shopper. And there's a couple of other direct sales companies that I'm happily involved with where I simply love the product enough to meet the minimums and I enjoy a discount. I truly love specials and saving money. So that's definitely an option. You can get in and decide that maybe you would like to earn a little extra income. Maybe you've got a couple of bills coming up. Maybe you're wanting to plan for a special trip or vacation. And Lord knows, after the last almost 2 years of this pandemic, we could all use a little vacation, right? But you have options and choices. I've been a demonstrator now for almost 26 years, and I love all of the different reasons that people decide to take advantage of starter kits. Again, whether it's just a good deal and they're going to walk away, whether they're going to try it out, as in this case, you can try it for 5 months with no obligation. I love that they decide that they want to kind of see what else is possible with it. I've seen it all, and everyone is welcome on our team regardless of why they want to take advantage of a starter kit special and simply interact with Stampin' Up! As a demonstrator. A couple of other real quick perks for you. As demonstrators, in addition to that pre-purchase that I mentioned, saving 20%, getting credit for the full retail price towards our commissions, our overrides, our incentives from Stampin' Up! Stampin' Up! Also has an extensive online community that's exclusive for demonstrators, and you get that wonderful weekly email from Stampin' Up! With inspiration that you see me share from time to time with you. You also get to join my team and take advantage of my 25 plus years of experience, and my team is absolutely amazing. We do a monthly team event where you can bring your customers to that virtual event. Simply show up with your customers, follow up with them, and enjoy the sales, and I do all of the work for you in terms of hosting it and making it happen. I try to make it as easy for you as a team member to get what you want out of your Stampin' Up! Experience. So if taking advantage of that $75 offer, getting yourself $125 in product of your choice with free shipping is something that's of interest to you right now, make sure that you message me or email me and we'll get you ready to get plugged in beginning November 4th. I would love to send you a welcome packet and get you engaging with my team and the Stampin' Up! Community as a demonstrator and saving a little bit of money. Thanks, guys.